survey conducted by Frost, they found that amongst the companies that deployed collaboration tools, a large percentage found a distinct improvement in employee performance. The major areas in which companies benefited were innovation, sales growth, and profit margins. Frost and Sullivan state that clearly there is a strong business case and a unique advantage to deploy collaboration tools. Now that is a very compelling statement. I am very excited to introduce a new white paper we recently released at Persistent Systems. This is the second white paper in our collaboration series. This white paper is designed to help you develop an enterprise collaboration architecture. It will play a crucial role in designing the groundwork and executing your collaboration strategy. Enterprise collaboration architecture deals with how your collaboration tools are deployed and used. Architecture is all about how these tools enable your employees to achieve their business objectives, how the tools relate to other technology systems, and most importantly, how the tools help you achieve your organization's business goals. This white paper also reflects ideas that come from our own experience in deploying an enterprise social software at Persistent Systems. The white paper deals with two important sections: organizational considerations and technology considerations. Organizational considerations brings out a few interesting facts. In deploying a collaboration platform, user adoption is the most critical metric. Hence, deploying a collaboration platform in its core actually turns out to be a change management problem. We discussed the barriers to user adoption, and there are many of them. The barriers can be simple issues like people do not know how to use social tools, or people think that deploying collaboration is only an IT task. There are also complex barriers to adoption like traditional organizational incentives may not be conducive to collaboration. In this white paper, we discuss these challenges and talk about ways to overcome them. There are quite a few change management techniques we cite from our experience that we hope will be beneficial to other organizations too. The next big topic in organizational considerations is that of governance. To be frank, governance has been on the IT charters for some time now. However, enterprise social software brings in a new dimension. One of the biggest concerns of management worldwide is social software is wide open. What do we do if the information falls in the wrong hands or is misused? This concern might be a result of the numerous incidents we hear out there in the different social media platforms. However, the enterprise context is quite different. We start with a good governance model, and there are various techniques to tackle various situations. This white paper is a good read about a solid governance framework. We next move on to the technology considerations. In this topic, we discuss the following aspects: scalability, usability, integration, legal compliance, and security. The key aspect of technology considerations is handling synchronous and asynchronous collaboration. Synchronous collaboration by nature needs more resources as it happens. For example, a video call needs bandwidth as it is streamed. Well, the feature of asynchronous collaboration is that it can generate large data volumes. For example, a discussion forum by definition generates large volumes of data over time. That's the discussions. We look at security, usability, and the other aspects I mentioned above in this context. Overall, the goal of this section is to help one to ask the right questions and lay down the correct technology charter for an organization. Obviously, this charter will have to merge with and leverage the existing technology investments that the organization has already made. When you carefully consider these 5 technology factors, leverage change management, and add a well-defined governance framework, you develop a robust collaboration architecture. The success of this architecture will be measured by its acceptability in your organization's unique cultural and technological environment. And of course, the metric is going to be that of user adoption. Our goal has been to help you best position your organization to choose a technology platform and deploy it in such a way that it minimizes the risk of failure and maximizes the probability of success. Developing an enterprise collaboration architecture requires engagement at 2 levels. First, at the organizational level. Here, you will need to use change management to overcome barriers to user adoption and have a good governance model to overcome the issues that could derail the collaboration initiative. The second engagement level is at the technology level. You will need to understand how systems interact, what needs to be done to meet the needs of the collaboration platform, and how the enterprise can leverage existing investments. In the third white paper in our collaboration series, we will highlight a select group of enterprise collaboration platforms and offer a step-by-step guide for selecting one. The strategy and architecture you decide using the current white paper will form the basis for that selection.